In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 10 and 11 not shutting down properly. If your computer seems to hang on the shutting down screen, or it never actually powers off, this guide will walk you through simple, practical fixes you can try at home. First, let's start with the most common cause, which is a feature called Fast Startup. Fast Startup is designed to make your PC boot faster, but sometimes it can prevent Windows from shutting down completely. To turn it off, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Then open it. Click on System and Security, and then Power Options. On the left-hand side, select Choose what the power buttons do. Now click Change settings that are currently unavailable. So you can edit the options below. Under Shutdown settings, look for Turn on Fast Startup and uncheck it. Click Save Changes, then try shutting down your PC normally to see if the issue is resolved. If your computer still doesn't shut down, the next thing to check is whether background apps or processes are blocking the shutdown. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete on your keyboard and choose Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, look at the Processes tab. Close any apps that say Not Responding and save your work before ending tasks when possible. Once everything is closed, try shutting down again. This helps make sure no stuck program is holding up the process. Another fix you can try is updating your device drivers, especially for graphics and chipset, as outdated drivers can interfere with power management. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. In this window, expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics device and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and let Windows look for an update. Do the same for system devices, focusing on chipset-related entries if available. When you're done, restart the computer and then test a shutdown. It's also a good idea to check for pending Windows updates. Go to Settings, then Update and Security on Windows 10, or Windows Update on Windows 11. Click Check for Updates and install anything that's available. Often, Microsoft releases fixes specifically for shutdown and power issues. After you've tried these methods, test your shutdown a few times. If your PC now powers off smoothly, you've likely solved the problem. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Windows 10 or 11 machine shutting down correctly again.